Good morning. Sir, really we feel very happy that you have accepted to be our inspection committee member for this virtual inspection. Wholeheartedly, from the side of the management and from the side of the school, we extend a very warm welcome to our campus. I, Mrs. Jayanti Jayendran, Principal, is here to summarize the very many hard works and smart works of Sri Jayendra Vidya Kendra in a very few lines. In the facade of you is a fixed, fantastic structure that nurtures unfixed beings under its majestic coat of greatness born of wisdom, knowledge, insight, and sound judgment. In the beginning, when this small piece of land from the creation of God settled in this place, it was a fertile field growing green grass. No one could have ever thought that these tiny mud and stones would eat up all the opulent to enlarge themselves as a big building. Our Jayendra Vidya Kendra is a gateway to train oneself in varieties of skills. We are creators of creative arts. Our brains are ever fresh and fruitful that multiplies different kinds of talents day by day. Each experience takes an effort in shaping a fine feather to add up to our wings that flutter up to the peak of achievements and multiply the nation's sky with elegant, unique citizens. We could confidently show you the proof of even the tiny leaves of the plants around us shaped in the form of deference. Serenity is their starch and courtesy is their chlorophyll. This is more than enough to prove our school as an encyclopedia of virtues. We learn everything with the help of a dictionary of discipline. Apart from the syllabus, we are made to learn the lessons that can build good manners, right behavior, charming character, civilized manners, matured skills. In short, we understand the phrase that your brains are into your head, your feet are into your shoes. It's up to make one's life by oneself. This school places great emphasis on creating the betterment. At the senior secondary level, the curriculum shifts its emphasis from general to core subjects focused with specialized content. The concepts in different disciplines are dealt with in depth and rigor. This is a stage where students identify their subjects of interest for future learning and get a better understanding of their career path. Thus, at this stage, they are better informed to select the subjects and streams of their choices and aptitude. Keeping everything in our mind, from last January, the school has started to make steps to upgrade our school to the senior secondary level. Applying for upgradation, developing the campus towards the norms for upgradation, CBSE now has provided with a wonderful opportunity of representing ourselves through virtual inspection. Towards this, the entire campus, the parking area, security system, the breadth and width of the playground, sufficiency of the classrooms, improvised library, from the technical end, the labs, all the 3 labs which has been operated as a composite lab has been given a separate identity of physics, chemistry, biology, computer, maths, and required facility for sports and the health and the measures that are to be taken at this pandemic situation has been very well handled by our wellness director, and hygiene part of the campus with respect to toilets and special steps for CWSN and multipurpose hall, rainwater harvesting, RO plant, everything has been given necessary attention, and the campus being improvised for all these steps set above. And parallelly, during this time, during the pandemic period, necessary steps being taken from the end of the school to caliber the children with respect to the knowledge, and the children have not been devoid of any knowledge that has to be extended with respect to the respective classes they have to go up for this academic year. Our online classes have been started from the month of April, taking into account of the prevailing situations with respect to parents, children, teachers. So we have given the combination of classes to the children as YouTube recorded classes and online interactive classes according to the facility and the situations the teachers, parents and children have to undergo. The safety precautions have been taken for the teachers with respect to hand-free sanitizing systems. Total campus has been given a sanitary facilities to maintain and to face the pandemic situation, and necessary orientation classes being given to the teachers, parents and the children for the facts they have to follow and for the systems they have to follow to take care of their health. And at this juncture, I would like to thank all the members of this Jayendra family who have extended all their help to make the necessary arrangements for the school to face the inspection. Thank you once again for accepting our invitation to be the assessment committee members along with the CBSE board. Thank you, and thank you once again.
Greetings, sirs. A warm greeting to Reverend Father Joshi Kottunkal. A warm greetings to Sri Mittal, Principal of DAV Multipurpose School. This is a school established and run by Sri Shankara Ramana Kendra. Sri Shankara Ramana Kendra is a registered society. It was established in the year 1978. We first started a school in the name of Sri Jayendra Swamigal Silver Jubilee School. Presently, it is a matriculation higher secondary school having nearly 3,000 students, and it has also another school in the name and style of Sri Lalita Vidyashram Metric School, which has classes up to 9th standard, and roughly 800 students are studying there. This is the third school. It is in the name and style of Sri Jayendra Swami Vidya Kendra. This society aims to extend education to middle class, particularly the salaried class who are in a transferable job, and also to self-employed and other kind of service people. We attempt to extend our education in a very simple but most effective manner. Our flagship school, the Jayendra Swami Silver Jubilee School, has many credits to it. It has many district ranks, state ranks at the academic level. It has also won prizes at the National Science Seminar 3 times, and it has some sports credits that students have represented the state and national in the international games. Now presently at this CBSE school, we also attempt to replicate such successes under CBSE stream, and we established this school in the year 2016, and we got affiliation to the secondary school in the year 2019, and we are presently pursuing for upgradation and trying to get an affiliation for the higher secondary level, and we hope we fulfill the necessity conditions and stipulated facilities, and we'll try to achieve the thing. Generally, the management style is unassuming and accessible and non-hierarchical, and try to be extend a warm and friendly relationship with all concerns, the students, the parents and the teachers. Generally, we are blessed that the other schools in the management have welded a good relationship with the teachers, which helps the students to take forward in their life in a manner. Thank you.
A very good morning. I am Dr. Jwala Jayendran, and I hold a degree in Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, that is MBBS, from Karpagam Faculty of Medical Science and Research, Coimbatore. I am an alumnus of the sister concern of Jayendra Vidya Kendra, that is Jayendra Swamigal Silver Jubilee Matriculation Higher Secondary School, and that is how I got associated with the school. I am the wellness instructor of the school. Now, with respect to Jayendra Swamigal Vidya Kendra, normally as a wellness instructor, what we plan in the academic year is we take up 2 medical projects per year, one for the primary level and one for the secondary level, and we incorporate and enrich the children on such basis. For example, generally for all the classes from standard 1 to standard 10th, we maintain a health card with basic information, their blood group, height and weight, and we record them and we give them a follow-up. Apart from that, last year our project for primary was dental hygiene, and we have conducted some enrichment activities on how to improve their dental hygiene. Apart from me, we have invited special doctors who are dentists, and we have done testing and assessment for them. And with respect to the secondary level, our project last year was to incorporate and enrich female children on their menstrual hygiene and habits, especially on how to dispose. And we have installed special incinerators, and we have called them, counseled them, and we have given instructions. Now, with respect to this pandemic situation, the steps we have taken are classified under 3 categories. One is what we have done for the campus, what we have done for the teachers, and what we have done for the children. With respect to children, we have enriched them through videos on what is COVID or Corona, how to protect themselves, what safety measures they have to follow inside their house and outside their house. Inside their house, we have insisted through videos on wearing a mask or washing their hands frequently 3 times a day for 20 seconds. In order to motivate children of younger ages, we have even given them with some format of songs in order to motivate them to wash for 20 seconds. For example, sing your happy birthday song 2 times and then wash your hands. So that will cover 20 seconds. Such enrichment we have given. Apart from that, with respect to the teachers, what measures we have taken is, we have brought a policy of compulsory wearing of masks. Without masks, they will not be entertained inside the campus. Apart from that, we have provided them for every floor as many possibilities as much we can. We have provided them with hands-free sanitizers, where they need not use their hands, just like a pedal. If they use their legs, they can use for sanitation. Other than that, another one measure what we have taken is, when it is an institution and there are a wider group of teachers, there are some teachers with comorbid factors like diabetes, hypertension, etc. So in order to facilitate them and to keep their family and health in mind, we have given them the option of coming and giving online classes per week, and for 2 times or 3 times per week, and the rest of the days they will quarantine themselves at home and give YouTube recorded classes. So on the whole, we extend this policy to the teachers, thereby we opt both the methods of online class and YouTube recorded classes. So these are the health steps we have taken from the campus for the teachers. With respect to the campus, what we have done is, 3 times a day, morning, in the afternoon lunch break and evening, we disinfect the campus with the sanitizer, with the portable sprayer. We disinfect all the surfaces. For smaller rooms and smaller surfaces, we use specially like this Dettol, Lifebuoy, like this surface disinfectants we use, sprays we use. And then with respect to the water system of the school, not only during this pandemic, even before, we used to use fixed dosage chlorine tablets. Each tablet contains 1.75 grams of sodium dichlorinate. So this chlorine tablets, fixed dosage, we used to use for the water systems to disinfect the water system. Thereby in the tanks and all we used to use. So these are the measures we have taken for the campus. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our mathematical fun house. Myself, Mrs. Mallika Narayan, handling the lab activity classes for the children of our school. We strongly believe that old traditional mathematics teaching or the theoretical learning inside the maths teacher becomes more of a speaker, and the learning process occupies the last bench of the classroom, and this leads to a gap between the children and the subject as well as with the maths teacher.
अलमेलू जानकी क्या सुन सकती है क्या? और रेडी? क्या किसी एक क्या इसका उत्तर दे सकते हैं कि गटरी को क्या मिला वाक्य के द्वारा? अलमेलू जानकी, कैन यू आंसर द क्वेश्चन? गटरी को वाक्य के द्वारा क्या मिला?
Into height, half into base into height. Now I have given a triangle in which, suppose I am giving the labels A, B, C. I have to write the formula for this. Half into base into height. Now what is the base for this one? For this triangle? Half into AB. Our base is AB. So I have given the base as AB. And then I have to write the height. What is the height? Height is nothing but altitude, the perpendicular line. So this is called altitude. So let us take this one as CD. CD. So area of triangle is equal to half into base into height.
Okay. Can somebody tell me how could they sense the pulse rate of which paragraph tells us that they had the provision of testing or pulse rate? Can somebody tell? We just now read that the satellite had a provision of.
A very good morning to the inspecting officers. In the present scenario, with the pandemic raging globally, everything has come to a standstill. But in spite of it, we as teachers must do our best to the student community. And thus emerged the online classes for the school students. From the month of April, we began to give online classes for the students from classes 6th to 10th. We had to start the online classes by giving YouTube recorded classes due to the lockdown because the teachers could not be approached for varied reasons. The online classes was in the same manner went on up to the month of May 2nd week. It resumed again by June 2nd week. From the month of July, after the lockdown got relaxed, we began to have Zoom classes for all the students right from classes 4 to 10th. Apart from the main subjects, enrichment activity was also one of the areas imparted through online. Enrichment activity comprised of GK, computer, art, craft, music, and physical activity. Taking into consideration the age of the students of classes 1 to 3, the mode of teaching through online is still through YouTube recorded classes. Thank you.
A very good morning to everyone. Education is always a career defining aspect in everyone's life. Of course, we are running our days in a real struggle of our lifetime now. But it is essential for every one of us to feed our kids with a progressive development in their studies. We are following online classes through YouTube videos and using Zoom app for all the students, giving all the subjects for the welfare, since it is not possible for most of our teachers to approach schools. We have provided all their subjects as well as their enrichment activities through Zoom app. At the same time, we had successfully conducted periodic assessment examinations in all the subjects using Google Forms apps up to grade 9. And our 10th standard kids wrote their examinations in a descriptive way. Nowadays, it is very hard for the students to approach schools, and since it is essential for them being progressive in their education and not being stagnant, we have followed and we have taken this step. We hope This system will bring out a progressive guidance in the course of the student's education. Let me sign off with a simple quote: knowledge is power. Thank you all.
Welcome to the biology lab. This is biology. I'm a biology teacher. This year we have conducted and demonstrated the various experiments up to the secondary level, and this year we have equipped very well to demonstrate and also to conduct the experiments up to senior secondary level. For that, various apparatus we have adapted, and these are all the things which are used to demonstrate all the senior secondary experiments.
I welcome you all to our physics world. I am J. Muniswaran. I am the one of the member in our Jayendra family, and also I am the faculty of physics. Okay. Now we are in the stage of upgradation for our higher secondary 11 and 12. So for that we are already having some of the apparatus related with 11 and 12. Already we are equipped for standard 11 and 12. So many apparatus are there for 11 and 12. We are maintaining some of the register. This is one is a brake register, and this is the student entry register, and also we are maintaining a stock register with the lab bill.
Good morning. In order to motivate the children to take up astronomy as a hobby, in our school we have an amateur astronomical observation club, the Jayendra Akash Drome, and as part of it we use a 12-inch reflective telescope.
Good morning. I am Muthulakshmi, belong to Department of Chemistry. It is indeed a special privilege and pleasure to welcome you all to our chemistry lab. And the laboratory, we have the laboratory apparatus here, and it is a tool which enhances the students to do the experiments in a well-versed way.
Good morning everyone. This is Kartishwari, work educational teacher at Sri Jayendra Vidya Kendra. I am handling classes from 1st standard to 10th standard.
Good morning, sir. I am Mrs. Suma. I have completed BSc MLIC. I am the librarian of this institution. In our library, we are having 5,300 books collections. Other than that, we are having digital sources and e-library books. We are having 60 tabs. Among that, 45 tabs we are loaded more than 143 stories. And then we are having 100 years of National Geographic collections in CD form, digital form. And then we are having more than 10 magazines and daily newspapers. In our 5,000 book collections, we are having under many headings.
This is our school library. As like any school library, this has books for interest for various levels of students. Brightly illustrated and in a simple language, we have books like this for the children, which they'll be motivated to pick up the book and read. That is exactly we want to happen in a school library. These are examples of such books. Not only at this level, we have some classic reference books as well. For example, we have this Resnick Halliday Walker for the physics, which is a classic reference book in physics. It is generally, the cliche is, this has some 4,000 problems, and students who are able to crack these problems can also crack IIT JEE. So such classic reference book to simple, attractive books for children of primary class are available in the school. And again, this is an organic chemistry book. It's also the international edition by Whaley. It is also the Graham Solomon's. It's a very classic reference book. We have similarly dictionaries. A simple dictionary like Word Master, which may be of helpful for the beginners, to some classic dictionaries we have. Visual dictionaries, primarily to motivate the early or young learners to go through this. And this will really motivate the children to trigger them to go into further deep learning. And the family encyclopedia. And again, the illustrated family encyclopedia, which will help the children to motivate them to take further serious reading. We are also equipped with some good collections by the publishers of the Reader's Digest. This is a Reader's Digest selected commemorative publication. Each book contains 4 novels, classical one. These are some of the things that is. We have books from the NCERT. This is the mathematics book, volume 2 for the standard 12. This is we have provided for the teachers for their reference, and also mathematics, always the popular author, the R.D. Sharma, is also equipped in this library. Thank you. I've already been told this is the tab computer. We have 16 numbers and we have 45 in operation, and each tab is loaded with number of books for around 160 e-books, so that children can learn through them. These are examples of some digital resource both for students and for teachers. This is not just movie. This is an interactive learning thing. It is published by Discovery Channel, and there are nearly 40 numbers in this on various science topic. This has a lesson plan, this has video, this have reference links to various encyclopedia. This is a very useful tool both for children and for the teachers. And this is National Geographic magazine. A 100-year collection of National Geography is digitized and published by National Geography way back in 2000. And we have nearly 100 years collection of the National Geography in CDs. We also these are some of the rules of the library. Some infographics. These are some infographics regarding the popular Sherlock Holmes and Sherlock Holmes series of thing. It is some popular with the students. So some infographics based on various novels of Sherlock Holmes. This is also a multimedia book of for mathematics. It's for the CBSE class tool. Actually, this comes in 5 CDs. One of the CDs have the book actually in their digital form, then questions, and then they have animations, they have related videos, and it's, as you know, it's based on the CBSE's syllabus. Thank you. So we are happy to state that our library is equipped with what is called the reading card, the English 400, which is designed by the Central Institute of Foreign Language, which is presently called as EFLU Hyderabad. It is also supported by the government. This is a very affordable reading entry-level program. It has 10 levels, probably corresponding to standard 1st to 10th, and at each level they have difficulty levels denoted with color coding. As we see, the blue is the easiest one, and the red is slightly challenging, green is more challenging, and brown is the most challenging at the level. And to place them at which grade they are in the given level, they have what is called placement test series for each level, and also they provide the keys for the placement test. This encourages children to read, enter the reading world comfortably and progress. And progressively they start reading.
In our library, we are maintaining some register, likewise assessment register, specimen register, e-books and CD register, student issue register, and circulation register, and periodic register. Thank you, sir.
Good morning. On behalf of Sri Jayendra Swamigal Vidya Kendra, I welcome you to our computer lab. I am Jayalakshmi, handling classes for 6th to 8th computer science and 9th to 10th information technology. This year we have also chosen information technology as an elective under skill education subjects for standard 6th to 8th. Our computer lab is well equipped with 40 systems, 24 secondary, and we have upgraded with 20 more systems for senior secondary. And our lab is fully air conditioned. Normally we used to demonstrate the practicals with the LED TV. At the back side of the LED TV, we have inserted a Intel PC compute stick. So after inserting the Intel PC computer stick, this TV will act as a computer. So it has all the facilities available in a computer, and also it is uploaded with Windows 10 operating system, and I can easily access the TV with the wireless keyboard. This wireless keyboard has a receiver and it is also attached with the compute stick. So I can keep the keyboard in my hand. I can move anywhere inside the lab because this keyboard has a receiver, so automatically it works. And also this keyboard has a touchpad which works similar to your computer mouse. So with the advanced display, the students can easily understand the practicals and they can sit and enjoy inside the computer lab. And also we have installed operating systems like Windows 10 and Linux. And for primary, we are using first we are giving them basic keyboard practices, and then slowly we will make them to use Microsoft Word, and then we will start them with presentation skills using our MS Office. And for secondary, we normally teach them application softwares like Adobe Photoshop and Macromedia Flash, QBasic. And for 9th and 10th, we used to start our teachings with OpenOffice Writer. So in the OpenOffice Writer, we will make them to learn for creating a documentation and for creating a spreadsheets and for maintaining the databases. So for our senior secondary, we have also upgraded with Python as well as SQL servers. And the next thing I want to say important about our upgradation of our new computers. Actually, this is a new computer. NUC stands for new unit of computing. So this is a CPU. It doesn't occupy any space. So you can easily maintain it in a small space, and also it doesn't produce much heat. So with this, the students can sit comfortably and do their work. Thank you.
Good morning. Welcome to our school. I am Ganesh. I am physical instructor in our school. We have the following more facilities in our school. Outdoor games like basketball, shuttle badminton, kho and skating, cricket net practice. Then track field for 200 meters, long jump, high jump, shot put and discus throw. Then we have the indoor games. We have table tennis, chess, carom. Like we have the sports goods, the basketball, volleyball, throw balls, footballs, and skating kits, cricket kits, baby cuddles, coops for free hand exercise. Thank you.